That's right, another one. Welcome back to the Beyond Boss Up with K YouTube channel. You know, I teach you how to get these driving gigs, gig economy, passive income. And I'm back with another great gig economy app for you guys. You guys to drive people around, not food, but people. You guys do a good deed for the community. I'm talking about non-emergency medical transit type work. Whew, man. So, this new app called Userve allows you to connect and make appointments with people who need to go to the doctor, who need to make hospital visits, pick up prescriptions. Sort of like Uber and Rideshare mixed with non-medical emergency transit. You put them together, book appointments, and you can make up to $25 an hour just for dropping people off to appointments. Crazy, right? And you can make more if you get certified. So of course, like we always do, we're gonna hop on into the website, check some reviews of this company, see if it's a good fit for you guys. I haven't driven for them yet. I'm gonna sign up in real time so you guys can see the sign up process and see how it works and all the requirements and everything. And after that, we're gonna check out the pay and see if we can boss up just like K, all right? All right, let's go. Website, Userve, I should say. So you pretty much serving the public. This is the CEO, this guy Cal. He started as a startup to use technology to help disabled patients get around and make their appointments. This company's been around for about 5 or 6 years now. They're branching out to new markets. They just came to the Atlanta market pretty recently. So we're going to see how we can drive with them, or you can partner with them if you have your own non-medical emergency transit business and you need, want to get bigger contracts, or if you have a medical facility, if you're your own medical provider, you want to help your patients get to and from your office. This is a great tool for you guys to partner with and get some things done, all right? So as you see, here's the partners, paratransit. This company partners with them to get people on. And then here's a guy who's driving with them, which we are here for. We want to know about how to drive. This is a gig app focused channel. We're going to show you guys how to get to this money. And then, like I said, you can schedule and, have everybody credentialed up. So, like I said, you can make more money if you're a certified credential aid, which would help people, with wheelchairs and canes get in and out. So it's a great thing of that nation. Here's some partners and some drivers, all that good stuff. We got to review the website, but let's get into the drive portion. How we get to this money. All right, so drive with us. Become a Userve driver today. Sometimes it takes a small thing, so make a positive impact. Like I said, you're doing good in the hood. I did some other non-medical emergency transit companies, apps. Got some comments on them saying that they don't really pay as much, and other ones said they kind of love the app. So get mixed reviews, but we're going to see what this one is about. Earn to do something good, helping others get where they're going. Earn 20 to 30% more per trip than typical Rideshare. Earnings do seem a little bit higher than Uber and Lyft, but we got to see how far you're driving and how much time you're waiting on these patients. Is it right for me? Do you like to drive? You got to get different background checks. So this is a heavily background check company. So if you have, felonies, this may not be for you, but we're going to check out all the areas they're in. So, if you're interested in driving here, you just go here. I'm going to do this real quick. And then here are all the cities. Let's get into the cities. Alexandria, Atlanta, Boston, Chicago area, Greensboro, Virginia, Pinellas County, that's Tampa area. So we got Florida, California, Virginia, Tennessee, in Illinois, Indianapolis, and we got Chicago. We don't have any New York. Sorry, New York, East Coast, Philly, We do have Baltimore though, so if you're kind of close to Baltimore, you can get down that way. But Las Vegas, hard to see any Las Vegas or Phoenix area, so that's new. So it looks like you're kind of scattered, all over the country. Super small markets. I don't see Louisiana, Alabama. Sorry for you guys, but I'm sure they're coming. I was probably still to sign up and just pick the one closest to you. You never know. You can travel to one of these cities on a weekend and make some extra money. All right. So that's the deal with how User works. You see, all the facts and, frequently asked questions that people have. So let's get into that. Must be 21 years of old. Must be a valid driver's license. Must pass criminal background. 7 years. No felony, no drug charges. No charges involving violence. Lifetime check on the National Registry. So, no pedals and, pass the DWI. And MVR up to 7 years most cases. Must have a 4-door vehicle, no less than 10 years old. Sedan or SUV preferably. No pickup trucks. Personal insurance in your name. So I know people ask that, do the insurance in the car have to be in your name? I don't know what type of, yes, the insurance in the car need to be in your name. Vehicle inspection. Cosmetic, no smoking, no vaping. You transporting elderly people with health conditions. You don't want to make them even more sick. Here's the thing about getting credentialed. Let's read what that's about. User partners with hospital, government agencies. We well versed in the Disabled Act requirements, Americans with Disabilities Act requirement. Probably once you get HIPAA certified, a lot of these medical courier companies do require you to be HIPAA certified. I know when I was working with Lab Express, I had to go pass a HIPAA exam. I had to pay $20 to get my credentials. Definitely worth it. Made that back in, less than half a day. So it's worth it to get certified. You have to use this for a lot of different companies. So if you get one with one, you can kind of move that over typically to the other company if they use the same company to test you. And then the drivers are paid per trip. And I'm not sure the frequency of the pay. Let's kind of get into some more details. So here's some more frequently asked questions I found. So what if the ride driver or, as you're a driver and the rider is a no-show? So say you, pull up to the house, they don't come out, or you pull up to the, hospital to take them back home, and they, never showed up for that appointment, so you just there waiting. You still get $4, and then a standard reservation fee of $3 as well. So you get, almost $7 just for sitting there and, the customer not coming out. So that's a good sign. Better than other places where, no call, no show, you just don't get nothing. Can drivers or riders cancel ahead of time? Yes. Riders can cancel up to 2 hours, no penalty. So, like I said, with the app, you see where you're going. You see how much you're getting paid before you even accept the trip. So, you shouldn't be just riding around, going places, without having confirmation that somebody's there. You're going to see how much it is, how much you're getting paid, see how far you're traveling to make it even worth your while for going there. And trips accept and disappear. I like some trips accept and disappear. There may be some issues with the app on that end. And then, here's some more things where you can use technology to move door to door with the services. Now, with this, you can make 22. So that's why this, how it breaks down, $22 to $26 an hour with this app. Sign up. Let's get to it. Leave a comment down below if you're already driving with this company. If you know somebody who's driving with this company, let us know your thoughts. Let us know how you like it. And let us know if there's something you're interested in or there's something that's some BS and get it off your channel, okay? All right, let me know either way. I don't mind constructive criticism. I don't mind if the things I'm saying in this app don't make sense. Let me know. Leave a comment. I appreciate that. And then we got Indeed. Yes, indeed. We got to check Indeed for the real deal, non-opinionated, non-biased reviews. Do not offer insurance. Typical day, relax, helping people. It's a question and answers. Look at some reviews. Flexible schedule. Job is great. They did it for 60 days. His average fare is about $17 per trip. You can only book one ride per hour. Okay. Okay, so they're saying that you only book one trip per hour, so I guess you get about $17 per trip. I guess probably equal gas money in there as well. Job is great for students, retired folks who need golf money. Like I said, you won't get rich on these gig apps, but it is a great supplemental income source. This is a bad rating, worst company ever. And unrealistic ride offers. This is in the Phoenix area. Love working. And here's a number 1 rating. So we got mixed reviews, mostly negative, but some mixed. But, of course, we are going to do our own due diligence, do our own thing. And here's some little free game for you sticking around towards the end of this video. If you come to Indeed and you search one of these channels, you can always find more gig apps. This is how I find the sauce for you guys coming here. So these are competitors. Here I did a VO video. I'm going to leave a link for that one right above. You can check that video out. I've done airspace. Of course, VHO, everybody's done that one. So here are two, airspace and VO are two more medical courier type companies. VO is just like Userve, where you're picking up people to take to visits, as well as airport, as well as any kind of appointment they make. And then airspace, I picked up COVID samples and some other blood samples through that company and dropped them off to the FedEx. So there's a two companies. That's a little free game. And then Glassdoor has some reviews as well. Great company, fair and balanced. Let's look at some salaries with Glassdoor. We're all about the money. We want to make sure this is worth our time. We're driving. It doesn't hurt to sign up. You can sign up while you're sitting on the toilet, while you're in traffic, while waiting on your food, through a drive-through, sign up for these apps. So that doesn't take a lot of time. But what does take time and energy is actually going out there, driving, and then only making $5 an hour. We're not trying to do that. So that's what it is. So non-medical transport drivers, they got the added service 60,000. We don't know if that's too true for this company, but that's what Glassdoor, and this is kind of more what this company is saying. Like I said, the reviews are mixed on Indeed and Glassdoor, guys. So we're just gonna have to get out there and see what it's all about ourselves. Of course, if I get on, I do any routes, I'm definitely gonna bring you guys a video of me actually driving for the company. All right. So that is Userve. I'm gonna leave a link to this website down below so you can sign up. And always boss up, baby.